This device allows the user to comfortably make repeatable and precise circles.
This is our linkage mechanism. It consists of a ground plate that slides underneath the tablet to hold the whole thing in place. Our first link attaches to the ground swivel, allowing for rotation in the left and right. It also has a slot that allows it to extend outward and retract back in for better range. Both links are held by a knob and wing nut, allowing the user to be able to adjust angles. Fairly simple. At the end of link 2, we have our pen insert. The pen insert sits at the end of link 2, allowing for easy rotation. At the bottom is a bolt through hole system, which attaches to the pen holder, which is allowed to rotate, allowing the user to select whatever radius they desire. When selected, the pen is inserted.
The scale of our project is 1:1, though some link dimensions would be increased to add strength and rigidity where needed. Here you can see the first locking toggle position of the mechanism. If we go ahead and extend that mechanism out, you can see the linear range of motion from 5 to 10 inches as that link extends, as well as rotation of 360 degrees at that ground link. The second locking toggle is when it is in its fully extended position.
So if our group had more time to work on this project, we have a couple things we wish we could have done. Firstly, this PLA material was good as a prototype. It can't hold up to much strain. We were thinking of some sort of aluminum or some sort of alloy. It is struggling if there's a crack right here when PLA comes into contact with actual metal, and we saw that and realized PLA was not going to suffice on the full production model. We would also like some sort of pop mechanism over here. So instead of just a wing nut, it would be a pop mechanism that you can pull out to rotate and then push back in to lock. It would just be much more user-friendly instead of a wing nut. We would also like to increase the size of the base for a bit more stability. We found this base was slightly too small. It still served its function, but it was just a bit too small. And then finally, we want some sort of mechanism or some sort of way to be able to allow the use of not just tablet pens, but pencils and pens and other writing utensils.